Hello Scorpio, this will be your weekly love reading for the week of 23rd to 29th of August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus position if you have in your birth chart in Scorpio, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable, and take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. Also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. Knight of Swords, King of Cups, Chariot, Hangman, Three of Wands. Wow. Bottom of the deck we have Ace of Cups. Wow. Wow, Scorpio. Wow. I can feel some energy. I will tell you about the sign first. Sign are here Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We don't have any earth sign here. But specifically we have Cancer and Pisces available. Okay, so let's start your reading. Ace of Cups is present here, so here we have Taurus also. Okay, so Ace of Cups, so somebody wants to offer you love. Okay, they are very much into you. They want to offer you, but they fear, they afraid that you will reject them. Okay, but they want to offer you anyway. Okay, they want to offer you love. They want to offer you their overflowing emotions towards you. Okay, so this person is very genuine and they want to get settled with you, but something is there I will tell you about. But this person wants to offer you. So here we have the Empress card. So this person is maybe want to get pregnant, or you, if you're watching, maybe the male person, if you're watching this reading, so I think they want to be pregnant with means they want to marry you and then they want to get pregnant. Okay, this kind of situation can be with you. So you may be dealing with a Libra, or you are dealing with a Taurus. Maybe I'm seeing strongly Taurus. So I can see that if you are dealing with a Taurus, I can see that this person is wanted that it should be a serious commitment, and they are already seeing you as their life partner, and I think they want to get settled. I think they want to get settled with you. Okay, because here we have Hierophant card. So maybe I'm getting, I don't know why, but I'm getting that this person is already married, or maybe a Taurus, because this is also Taurus card, this is also Taurus card. So this person is already married or something, or their married life is not getting well. Okay, so they are actually connected more spiritually towards you rather than being with their life partner. Okay, so they are more attracted towards you, and they want to offer you the marriage. Okay, but they want to first clear out the marriage situation of their own. So because there was a no contact situation, or maybe a situation in which they are very much dissatisfied with their emotions. Okay, they feel like locked in a door basically. Okay, in this situation, so they want to get free, and they see that you are the only person who can get them free. Okay, the strength is below, so they are just getting strength, or maybe Leo is in their chart. Okay, so let's start your reading. So here we have Knight of Swords. So I guess this person wants to offer you something, but before offering, actually they want to talk to you basically. Okay, they want to clear things out between you two, and maybe you know this person very well and you know that this person is already committed to somebody else, but still this person wants to clarify you that they are very much serious about you, and they want a conversation actually. So whatever the conversation will be, they will be coming towards you and they will be talking to you. So I can see that they are seeing you as a very balanced person emotionally, and I think they will offer you emotions, they will offer you love, maybe they want to offer you a marriage commitment as well. So they are very romantic person, so they just want to talk to you first, and they just jump into the relationship with you basically, because they are very much attracted towards you from the beginning, and now they have come to this that they want to offer you love. Okay, as we already seen that ace of cups is here. So the chariot card is here, so this person might be living afar from you, and they want to travel towards you, maybe from afar, maybe let's say maybe a foreign country, some of you, or maybe there is a long distance relationship, or they whenever you and this person meets, it includes travel, it includes travel, maybe a long distance travel or short distance travel, but it includes some significant amount of travel. So this person sees you as a twin flame, so you might be seeing 1111 recently. So this person is your twin flame, I can see that, and they want to get thing balanced between you two, and they want to get settled down, and they want to be victorious. Okay, they want to clear things out and they want to be victorious with you, because they are very serious about you. Okay, so right now you are giving them a pause basically, so this is your energy basically, hangman. So you are just giving this a pause, and you want to think about it first, because you don't want to jump into the relationship which is having already a third party situation. So you just want to have a pause and you want to think about it, whether you should go through this relationship or not, or whatever. You just want to get enlightened about this relationship's future. Okay, so you just see the future basically, because you have here three of wands, so you want to you are seeing this future with them basically, and you know that in near future this person has a future with you, that is four of wands. Actually here we have three of wands, and after that it will come at four of wands. So I think this person will offer you stable at some point of time, and you are waiting for this to happen. So let's see what is the outcome card for you this week. Please give me outcome card for this week. Five of wands and tower. Okay, so I'm getting this is not between you two. Okay, this is between the person they are dealing with before, and I guess they are having a breakup, or this is the card in which their relationship will be broken up. Okay, so maybe they were not expecting that this person they were not expecting that this will happen very soon, but this is coming soon basically. So I guess this person will have the breakup with the past person, and they will be very free towards it, because there were so many people involved with this relationship, and there were so many of the controlling people. So five of wand is there though, so this person had so many person in their life in which they are committed, and they are not happy with this situation. They were just pushing this relationship to the some next level, but they were not getting anywhere. So right now they decided to break up, and I think this will be broken up in this month or this week. It come to my mouth as month, so it will be in month. Let me pull out Queen of Moon Oracle. Growth and the void. So if you felt that there is a void in your heart, or you're feeling that something is missing in your love life, so this person is coming for a new chapter, and this person is coming for to fill your void. Okay, so here we have growth. So this person has a lot of potential to grow with you, and they want to get settled with you. This relationship will be having very good future in as compared to this love life situation. So as far as love life is concerned, this relationship has lot of potential. Okay, so universe is saying give it a chance, and that's this is the thing. Okay. So this was your reading, Scorpio. Sorry. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.